focus right now. A lot happened last night, and let's just say I took. Yeah. And then we're off to our first secret mission. Exciting things are happening. It really is. Did I just lose a lash? No, I don't know if y'all can see it.
After all the rain, you see the sun come out again.
What's up, guys? Oh, let's get you some lighting. Okay, welcome back to the vlog. You know, you've been here already. Let's not pretend like I haven't been inactive for years. But anywho, you're in for a treat. We're going to Nashville. We're meeting someone there. So, let's do it.
Yes sir, 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 reminder.
Cunt to the feminine what? To the feminine what? Feminine cunt. Feminine DJ Mikey what? Feminine so cunt to the cunt.
I'm sorry, I can't do that for you.
Wait, do I need to put this in the trunk?
Oh, no. Hi, guys. Look, DeAndre. This is our special guest.
Hola, señorita.
We just got to the hotel. It is hot as I don't know what out there. But we're both about to freshen up, and then we're gonna go grab brunch, and then we have a not me being shy on camera. Now we're freshening up. Then we're gonna go to brunch, and then we have a secret mission. So a couple secret missions that will be revealed when at a later date. So DeAndre has a selection of lotions and hair products that he has put me on. Well, not even put me on, because I am familiar with these. Aunt Jackie's actually advertising. Oh, that smells good.
Smells really good.
I thought about you when I saw that in Bath and Body.
Listen, I've been getting this for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months. But not just this, the body spray.
The whole.
The fact I couldn't bring my body spray on the plane, I bought the lotion, and it's good. Okay,
and that's Noir, and then that's some Korean skincare rice water spray that DeAndre has put me on. But yeah, check out the curls. Let them see your curls. Wait, okay, hold on. Wait, not it. Focus. Okay. Come on, curl. For Pancake House, but I don't want to try I might try the Caribbean, I don't know.
You like coconut?
It depends on if it's shredded or like chunks, but I feel like it'll be shredded on top.
You can do the banana bread.
What do y'all think? Sweet potato, I don't know if that's what you're saying, or you said banana bread? Decided on the sweet potato pancakes, and then DeAndre got the build your own omelet. Did you get a flavored pancake? With regular pancakes. The sign outside says that they move quickly, and they're clearing tables left and right, so I'm hoping that the food is the same, and I'm hoping that it's good. This is the first place we've gone to here in Nashville. I'll let y'all see before we take a bite. So, and then we're off to our first secret mission. exciting things are happening. Okay, these are the sweet potato pancakes with your omelet. Definitely not giving IHOP. Wait, you taking this? The celebrity is taking his shades off to eat? There's your pepper.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you. They feel like protein pancakes.
Like this.
Yes. I don't understand why they do like now. Like I don't get on one, but I still have it to keep up with one person in particular. But
Wait, who?
stop! Got you reading me. Okay, I'll delete it. But anyways, like I was saying, my point.
I mean, just delete them. Don't let it notification on.
Oh, where's the elevator?
Oh, right here.
Oh, wow.
I was about to say, I know we walked up.
I was gonna say I'm not gonna walk up 4 flights of thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is cute. Hi, how are you? Good. You get matcha? They have matcha? Chai tea, matcha, ginger lemon tea. Sounds blessing. Lunches as well, not just pastries. Got some cheesecake. No, I don't see any. Yes, I'll get the imperial. Would you say it's better than the matcha? Do you return matcha?
Honestly, hate matcha. So.
No. Okay, I can't trust you. But I'll get it. Y'all, is it just me or when y'all try, okay, not this all up in my nose, but either way, whenever I come to a new coffee shop, I always resort to a matcha, but at the same time, I want to try new stuff, so let me know if y'all are the same way.
I don't really like to keep popping, but these bitches in my business got me on your choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Girl, let's be on the road.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we are at RH. We're about to have dinner here for the first time. We will tell you what we get on the menu. If you've been here before, tell me what you got. Cause I might be trying it.
Girl, you got too close.
Anyways, guys, so we just left RH. Is it Restoration Hardware Cafe? Or what's the name of the
Restaurant.
Okay, but we just left that in Nashville. It was really good. I'll insert some footage of our food and maybe a few pictures because we got quite a lot while we were there. Now, we are trying to figure out what we want to do next, so we're probably going to go downtown and see what Nashville has to offer. Would they call it the Strip?
I think that's in Las Vegas.
I know, but I feel like they have like a main area downtown that's like a bunch of bars. Now I don't know what else to call it.
We can call it the Strip.
We're going to the Vegas Strip. We're going to the Nashville Strip to see what else they have downtown. I'm pretty sure we can find something, even if we just go sit in a bar.
Yeah.
We don't have to drink, so that is up next. Okay, let's turn up. Okay, Becky.
Ass getting bigger, rags getting bigger, cash getting larger. He thought he was loving me good, I told him go harder. She thought she was killing that shit, I told her go harder. Just look at this alkaline wrist, cause I got that water. Ass getting thicker, cash getting thicker. That's that dick, that's that real shit.
know if we're in focus. Are we focused right now? But a lot happened last night. And let's just say I couldn't take my phone everywhere. So what all did we do after restoration yesterday? I don't know if I got footage of my food, but I'll insert some pictures here. It was really good. I think I mentioned on the previous clip, DeAndre got the lobster roll. I got the shaved ribeye on garlic toast, and we both got a side of truffle fries, which were great. I also got a Bellini, which was really good. And after Nobu, we went to reconvene and get ourselves together. We went to the gas station, picked up some snacks, and then we went downtown and walked around, which was extremely hot. The Nashville downtown scene is amazing. I'll also insert some videos. We got people everywhere. It was giving Times Square what I thought Times Square would be like. And stay tuned for the next video if you want some real life Times Square action. But yeah, it was really hot, and what can I say about downtown? It's cool. It's definitely not a place that you want to be by yourself. Like, you probably go to meet people and hang around. You can people watch. There's tons of bars and stuff. We didn't ask to see how much the cover was, but one thing about me, I'm not paying to get in anywhere. So yeah, we did that. We walked around downtown until we got tired, and then we came back home because we have an early start today. So this morning we are getting ready. I'm about to wash my face, brush my teeth, and all that. I have just washed my lashes. Shout out to my lash tech. I will drop her information below if you're in the HSB area. I know today has a lot of adventures, a lot of other mini secret missions that we are doing, which I still can't disclose. If you can think about what it is and why we're here, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm gonna finish washing my face, and then we will get out to see the rest of Nashville. There we go. This is the Acne Foaming Cleanser. Dang, you're loud. This is the Acne Foaming Cleanser. Once again, let's focus, peeps. By Good Molecules. I've only been using it for a couple of days. I was looking for a new cleanser because I normally use the Fenty line, like her whole it's just so relaxing. I use their face wash, their toner, and then the hydrator as well, their moisturizer. But this was like 15 bucks at Ulta. So I was like, why not? Because for whatever reason, whenever I travel, I stress out before I need to pack, and that is when pimples and stuff start popping up. Excuse me. Now it's time for it. One thing I can say about this, excuse me, what is going on? Cleanser is very lightweight. I usually prefer like a serum texture, so like a cream, some type of foaming clean wash or cream wash. This is literally just a foam, and it turns like from foam to the silkier texture. Because you know, if you were to put like regular foam on your face, it would kind of like disappear as you rub it in, but this leaves behind the actual soap to cleanse your face. And so I just do this for a little bit. Get in everywhere. And I have these disposable sponges. Mixing with that rose water, make some kind of little concoction on my face. But we'll let that dry. And then my last step, which I'm not gonna do on camera, is just putting on sunscreen and moisturizer, which I will get into later details about what those are in like a beauty video for my updated skin routine. But yeah, this is how the face is looking this morning. Lashes will be brushed. We're not doing makeup today. It's too hot. Literally, brush the lashes, brush the brows, might put a little bit of brow pencil on. Lip gloss, we out of there.